Are you tired of searching for the right key among a jumble of others? Do you struggle with detaching specific keys quickly when you need them most? Introducing ORBCLIP, the ultimate quick access key clip designed to offer you a lightning-fast way to separate one key from the rest. Let's hear that satisfying click once again. Safety padlocks are often key-retaining, which can be very frustrating because you can't get the key out until the lock has been shut. But not with ORBCLIP. Leave a key in your bicycle frame lock without any hassle. Or unlock a gate without turning off the car. But it's not just keys. Attach accessories to your bag or jacket for fast, hassle-free access, or use ORBCLIP as a carabiner for your pet's GPS tracker, collar light or ID tag, or anything else. With an ultra-light weight of just 3.5 grams, ORBCLIP is the perfect keychain carabiner for seamless everyday carry. CNC machined with utmost precision from premium-grade 5 titanium, ensuring each item is of superb quality and functions exactly as intended. Pledge now and elevate to a more organized and effortless everyday carry with ORBCLIP.